Time for some more family-friendly content, something to put the dark back into Dark Matter Workshop, a bone forest. I found a real human leg in a second-hand store. Useful for all kinds of games, ranging from sci-fi to fantasy. First thing to do is to cut off all the unwanted plastic labels and stuff and give these pieces a base. With the bones attached to the bases, it's time to apply some texture here and there and to build up the bases with peasant craft sculptor mold. This is shredded toilet paper, a bunch of plaster mixed in with some water till we reach a cottage cheese-like consistency. The building phase is done. If you have any questions, just pop them in the comment section below. Now, plastic is a female dog to paint. Make sure you use a proper primer. This is a specific plastic primer without pigmentation, which means it's much cheaper. I decided to use this primer because the bones already have a good foundational color to work from, this whitish beige color. Some more colors I want to use on the bone: sepia wash, a dark brown wash, and a black wash to represent age and weathering. Then I'm going to highlight everything with aged white. Colors for the base are dead easy: black and red. Red for blood, because blood is life. A huge thank you to my Patreons for their continued support. If you like this video, you know what to do. Please check out the links below if you really want to support the channel. Last couple of steps for this project. We're going to make veins out of red yarn, and we are going to cover basically the entire base with red ink. Let's go! And that is it for this project. I hope you enjoyed this little video. I had great fun making this disgusting looking terrain. I hope to see you soon here on Dark Matter Workshop for a new project. I'm gonna tell you right now, it's gonna be something awesome. See you soon. Bye.